Hey everybody, welcome to the coronavirus tip of the day. Let me take off my mask so you can hear me. Now I'm vulnerable again. Hope everybody's doing well in their shelter in place or their lockdown. I hope you're staying safe, wearing your toothbrushes, your hoodies when you go out, and also maintaining that 6 feet of social distance. Anyway, rules are starting to get relaxed and we're starting to head back to work. Fortunately, some people don't have jobs to go back to, so maybe they're looking for a change in profession, something where they can work for themselves, maintain that 6 feet of social distancing, and also maybe get some side benefits.
It's an interesting job. Now it's a job that just suits me. A window cleaner you would be if you could see what I could see. When I'm cleaning windows, honeymooning couples too. You should see them bill and coo. You'd be surprised at things they do. When I'm cleaning windows, in my profession I'll work hard, but I'll never stop. I'll climb the blinking ladder till I get right to the top. The blushing bride, she looks divine. Bridegroom, he is doing fine. I'd rather have his job than mine. When I'm cleaning windows, the chambermaid, sweet names I call. It's a wonder I don't fall. My mind's not on my work at all. When I'm cleaning windows, I know a fella's such a swell. He has a thirst that's plain to tell. Seen him drink his bath as well. When I'm cleaning windows, in my profession I'll work hard, but I'll never stop. Climb the drinking ladder till I get right to the top. Pajamas lying side by side, ladies' nighties I have spied. I've often seen what goes inside when I'm cleaning windows. After that, pulls down the blind. When I'm cleaning windows, in my profession I'll work hard, but I'll never stop. I'll climb this blinking ladder till I get right to the top. An old maid walks around the floor. She's so fed up one day I'm sure she'll drag me in and lock the door. When I'm cleaning windows, when I'm cleaning windows. Turned out nice again, didn't it?